First position White. 14 shot clock. 10 to shoot. 5 3 This is number 41. Points, number 18, 3-2. Shot clock. 10 5 14 to shoot. 2 points, number 15. Shot clock. 14 shot clock. Hit to the 14. 6-3. 8.8 by Giants. Shot clock. 10 to shoot. And 3 seconds violation. Another 14.
Yay!
3 9-3. Issue. Out of bounds, turnover. Score is 10-3. Shot. 10 to shoot. And a whistle. Robbery. Shot clock. 10 to shoot. And this foul number 19. first team foul, Giants. 2 shots. Al-Umani. Hindi pa mo sir. After 10 minutes. 18. Relax. Continue. Shot clock. 10. Out of bounds. Okay.
He missed the second one. He scored the first one. So it should be 4.
14 shot clock. Aluk 11-6. 5-point lead by Giants. Shot clock 14. Ten to shoot. Are you ready? Shot clock. And this is one foul on number 41. Substitution. Second foul on Hussein. First team foul by the Navy. Foul. Two shots for jersey number 18. Basket. 12-8. Second round. Short. Score is 12-8. Shot clock. Number 14. 2 points, number 23. 28 rather. 14-8. Shot clock. And the whistle, foul number 27. Subject. First personal foul and second team foul, Giants. Shot clock 14. 10 to shoot. 5. Out of bounds.
Hey!
Number 35. Score is 17-8. 9-point lead by Giants. 1 minute and 23 seconds remaining. 4 14 to shoot. 10. Another 14. And Russell. Double dribble. Tablet. 1 minute and 2 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Score is 17 to 8. $50 seconds. Super Al Humadi. 40 seconds. Seconds, 40 to shoot. Shot clock off, 22 seconds remaining. Two points, Hasu. 10 seconds. Five. No basket. Official score is 17 to 12. 5-point lead by Giants. Okay. Out of bounds. Nice pass by Jimax. Found by Tolosa. Still by number 3, recovered by Alumani. Complete the shoot. Nice pass. Mighty David. Official score is 19-12, 7-point lead. Started the shoot. Yes, and this foul on number 10, sorry. Two shots, J-Max. Second throw. Basket. ball. Out of bounds. Fabric. Line ball. Ball for Blake. Quintano. Missed shot. There's always a foul. Foul number 10, that was your second personal foul. Second team foul for Mighty David. Another 14. And out of bounds. Shot clock. Nice shot. Follow up by number 3. Nice shot. Passive rebound. Santander. Connect for 2 points. 8 to 19. Shot clock.
Yay!
Number 15. 14-21. Shot clock. 10 to shoot. Out of bounds. White ball. Pasok. Score is 14-21. 7-point lead by Giants. For the shield. Away for 3. 14-24. 10-point lead Giants. And still right down for the number 6. Too strong. Espasa Tolosa to the 2 points. 16-24. 1 minute and 58 seconds remaining. To the 2 points, number 6. 1 minute and 45. Tolosa on three. 1926, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Araban, second. Giants. One minute 20 seconds. Quintana drive, missed the shot, offensive rebound by number 26. Tolosa, 10 to shoot. Nice move for number 26. For 21-26, 5-point lead by Giants. 1 minute. 50 seconds. Seconds. Twenty-six seconds. Short. 20 seconds. 12 seconds. 2 points. Number 14, 23, 26, 5 seconds. And on the second quarter, official score is 23-26. White ball by the David. Jumping on the line. Another 14. 10 to shoot. 5. Score is 25-26. Lead down to 1 for Giants. Back to back, number 26. Change favor, 27-26. Gabriel Marquez. For three. Score 30-26 for Pony by Giants. As a rebound, J-Max to the 14. Hasi to the 14. Score 32-28. 14 to shoot. J-Max almost. Foul on number 28. Pushing foul. Sabrep. Two shots for J-Max. Basket. Another 14. A shot by number 6, Ramos. 31-32. 1 point lead, Mikey Davis. Still by Ramos. Ramos using the left hand for 2 points. Again, lead back to Giants by 1, 32-33. Two points, number 28, 32-35. And carrying the one double dribble on Southwest. By Santander to Arun Mali between Santander and Arun Mali. 34-35, 1 point Giants. J-Max, nice pass! Didn't have a third, so we say on the foul on number 19. Sabrep. First personal foul at 13 foul, Mighty David. 2 shots from number 28. No basket. Second on the line. Okay, correction, jersey number 19. Second personal foul. 13 foul, Mighty David. Second row. 1 out of 2 from the line. 34-36. And still by J-Max with number 28 to the 20 points. Nice pass to Tolosa. the whistle foul, Jaynats. First personal foul and first team foul. Subject. Another 14. 10 to shoot. Out of bounds. And a turnover for Miami. And the shoot. And out of bounds. White ball. 2 minutes and 26 seconds remaining. Score is 34-38. Out of bounds. Sable. Shot clock 17. Steal by Jaynats. That's five. And there is a whistle. Foul number 41, Hasim. Subject, Hasim, that was her second personal foul. Warning for penalty, Mighty David. No basket. Second throw for the Costa. And there's a whistle, pushing foul on number 18 for Giants. And a steal. Number 28. And a steal. Ramos. Didn't connect. As blocked. The foul. Shot block 10. And a foul from behind. Number 6, Ramos. Ramos, that was your first personal foul. And 13 foul, Giants. Shot clock 14. Hasim! Basket count as a foul number 27. Bonus shot. Both teams are in entering penalty. And follow number 15, sorry. Penalty. Two shots for Natividad. Okay, second throw. Cover. Score, good luck, all 30 minutes. 1 minute and 15 seconds of the third quarter. And there is a foul number 18. Penalty. Pushing foul, pushing foul. 2 shots. Basket. Second throw for sorry, Russia. Second throw and to adopt the goal line change free ball, 40-38. Number 15, then 50 seconds. 40 seconds.
Dunk it!
Take ball. Shot clock 12 seconds. 12 seconds. 12 to shoot. 10, 5, and the whistle of foul number 15. Penalty, first personal foul, penalty. 2 shots for Buganas. By Giants, 18 seconds. It's a foul number 50, but it was a third personal foul penalty. .7 seconds remaining. In and out. Second throw, basket, good luck, all for the one. 10 seconds. 5. And the third quarter official score, all 41, good luck. Foul number 35. First personal foul and first team foul, Giants. 2 shots for Hasid. Basket, 42-41. Basket, 43-41. Ordered to shoot. Ramos to the 13. Then Tyler to the 14. 45-43. Steal! Out of bounds, shot clock 17. 14 to shoot. Down to 10. 5. Tolosa to the 14. 47-43. 4-point lead, Mighty David. Two points, number 28, 47-45. Number 18, still. And a foul, number 18, that was short. Third personal foul, second foul. Third personal foul, number 18. Make the shoot. But it is Score 50-45. Number 23. Number 25 is Tayo Jesus. Number 25 of Giants. Tayo Jesus. Bonus shot for Quintano. Basket to 53 play, 53-45. To shoot. There's a whistle. Foul number 24. On the first personal foul, first team foul, Mighty David. 2 shots for J-Max. First throw, break 1, 53-46. Second throw. Basket 2 out of 2, 53-47. To shoot. 10. Another 14. 10 to shoot. Let's see the ball by J-Max. There's a foul number 24 on Quintano. Second personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for J-Max. Then basket. Second throw. One out of 2 for J-Max, 56-48. For the 30 seconds, shot clock 14. Down to 10. Robbie. And Hussein, foul number 1. First personal foul on Santander. And Magic David. Initial score 56-48. 8-point lead by Magic. And the shoot, still, and Quintano. Still, foul number 26. Mighty David, second personal foul number 26. Warning for penalty. Mighty David, 1 shot for Ganas. Completing the 3-point play, 56-51. 5-point lead, Mighty David. According to shoot. Bad to shoot. 5. Shot clock. J-Max for 3. 56-54. Super lead, Mighty David. With 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Fourteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. Two minutes, 33 seconds. Ganas drive. This is the shot. Rebound. For the shot clock. Down to 10. One minute and 42 seconds. Very much. The shot down by Hassan. Comes to Santander. David. Official scores 56-57. 1 point lead by Giants with 1 minute and 28 seconds. 14 seconds. The clock. The lockout inbound. Bring it down. 1 minute 20 seconds. Fourteen to shoot. Ramos is the shot. Out of bounds. 1 minute and 1 second remaining. 56-57. Fourteen to shoot. Lasa is the shot. 45 seconds. Nice pass by Jalen. Deep number 28. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. 40 to shoot. Good follow. This is rebound by Hussein. 20 seconds.
Use the clock. Use the clock.
It's the deal. 10. Shot clock down to 7.
Two shots. Two shots. Two shots. Two shots. Make it.
Jersey number 26, third personal foul. Last shot. Two shots.
Jaden, two shots. Make it.
On your toes. Offensive rebound.
No basket. Last draw bullet play. Jumper ready. The score is 58-59.
No.
One out of two.
Defense.
Five. Almost. Congratulations, Giants. Coming from behind the wheel versus mighty David. Okay, warm up. Let's go. JSA